Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add frequently bought together on Shopify. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Shopify and you want to add frequently bought together, you might want to click on the Start Free Trial option. And you see, you would be forwarded in this section, and all you're gonna do is just click on the some options and follow the on-screen instructions. All right. Now here, just choose the products that you wanted and just wait for it. All right. So you have these options to create your Shopify account. You can sign in using your email, your business or professional email, or your personal. You can sign up with Apple, your Facebook, and with their Google. After that, Shopify will automatically build your store from scratch, and just wait for it, okay? After it's done, you would be forwarded here. Now, to add a frequently bought together feature on your Shopify store, you typically need to use a Shopify app because this functionality is not natively available in the Shopify's default settings. All right. Now, you see, after that, I need you to go to your online store for now, or go to the Add Apps. And we're going to choose the frequently bought together on the Shopify apps. If you can't find it here, you might want to click on the Shopify App Store for now. And then after that, you would be directed here and search for the app. Click on it, and that's going to be the Shopify store. I need you to click on install, or you can view the demo store later. All right. Now, for those who are new here, the frequently bought together on Shopify refers to a feature or functionality that suggests additional products to a customer based on what other customers have commonly purchased together. And of course, this feature is used by Shopify store owners to encourage the average order value, which is called AOV, by encouraging customers to add more items in their carts. For example, you have the customer have chosen this kind of product. It's a bicycle, and you might want to click on the add to cart. Similarly, when you go to your view cart, for example, you're the customers, all right, and you went to the checkout process, what will happen is, you see, you have to enter the some information. And of course, when a customer views a product page or adds an item to their cart, Shopify analyzes past purchasing patterns to recommend related products that are frequently bought together with the item in question. Of course, it provides opportunity for cross-selling by suggesting complementary or supplementary products that enhances or accompany the main purchase. After that, all you're gonna do is click on Pay Now, and then you would be able to have the recommended products are displayed on the product page or in the cart or the checkout process as a pop-up window, strategically placed to catch the customer's attention and encourage additional purchases. Now, I need you to switch over to your Shopify account and install the app. And of course, from here, just click on the install button. And you would be forwarded to another page. All right? Just wait for it. Now, you see, you have a 5-day free trial ending on July 26, and these are going to be the total bills for the month. Of course, you can choose how you'd like to pay for this charge. It could be credit or debit card, or you can simply add a credit card here, all right? And then go to PayPal if you wanted and pay with PayPal, all right? It's going to be a lot easier. Now, the next option is you need to go to your online store, and you need to hover to themes so that you can install their frequently bought together app on your store. And most of the time, it works well with the theme stores. What I usually use is the Dawn theme store. It's a lot easier to work from there. And again, you can explore themes if you wanted, but I'm gonna be choosing the Dawn. Click on free for now. All right, so you would be given here a lot of themes that you wanted. Of course, this is the Dawn. It's free, it's easy to use, and it's straightforward. Obviously, you can view the demo store if you wanted to get a grasp of the themes that you would be putting on your online store. You can try a theme right here on the upper right corner, adding down to your online store themes. All right, just wait for it because we need to add more codes so that we can use the frequently bought together right here. Now, once you are inside the Dawn theme, now after that, I need you to go to the apps again and click on the gem pages. All right. Now, this is one of the fastest way for you to add frequently bought together on your Shopify store, because all you're going to do is click on install. All right. And then when you've loaded that, the next thing that we need to do is to create a new page. All right. Get started and then go to pages and create a new page. All right. Just wait for it. This one. After that, we need to customize the information and we need to click on start from scratch if you want it. All right. If you don't have any specific design in mind, click on it and you can use the gem pages editor to search, choose and drag and drop a ready template right here and add to sections. Because here we can customize the information products according to your preferences. And again, we need to add the cross-selling and upselling sections. This one and the product page. All right, you can add sections and add elements here and simply search for the word cross to the sections. All right, cross, click on it here. This one, add it here. And then we can simply use the theme, the Dawn theme earlier, and click on the create theme section. But of course, you need to upgrade to create theme section right here. Now, there's an option for you to put in the code if you want your have a cross-selling opportunity by suggesting complementary or supplementary products that enhances and to accompany the main purchase. And again, the recommended products are typically displayed on the product page in the cart or checkout processes as a pop-up window placed to catch the customer's attention and of course encourages additional purchases. And by following and leveraging the frequently bought together feature in Shopify, now store owners can effectively increase the sales and enhance the customer satisfaction through personalized recommendations about product, ultimately driving growth and profitability for their e-commerce businesses. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.